Have you ever found yourself grappling with the intricate world of homeopathy, yearning for a guide that would simplify this complex field? Today, we delve into the journey of an author who took on this challenge, dedicating countless hours to crafting a book that could serve as a beacon in the vast sea of homeopathic knowledge. Our author embarked on this journey with a singular goal in mind: to unravel the mysteries of homeopathy and present them in a form that would resonate with both novices and seasoned practitioners. This pursuit was fueled by various interactions with doctors who felt overwhelmed by the complexity of homeopathy and found existing resources lacking in clarity. The process of writing the book was a marathon, not a sprint. Day and night, the author pored over homeopathic theories and practices, meticulously compiling, analyzing, and interpreting information. This tireless effort was driven not by the pursuit of material gain, but by the desire to make a lasting contribution to the field of homeopathy. The result is a book that is more than just a collection of facts and theories. It is a resource that empowers its readers, equipping them with the knowledge and confidence to run a clinic and treat patients. The book doesn't just teach homeopathy, it instills a deep understanding of this healing art, an understanding that many doctors have claimed was not attained through any college or existing literature. What sets this book apart is its approach to explaining homeopathy. The language is simple, the concepts are broken down into digestible bits, and the narration is engaging. The book has the unique ability to draw the reader in, making the process of learning homeopathy an enjoyable journey rather than a daunting task. In summary, this video shared the tale of an author's journey in creating a valuable resource for the world of homeopathy. It shed light on the painstaking process of compiling and presenting complex homeopathic knowledge in a form that is accessible and engaging to all. The book serves as a testament to the author's dedication and passion for homeopathy, and a beacon of knowledge for those seeking to deepen their understanding of this healing art. So, whether you are a seasoned homeopath looking for fresh insights or a beginner seeking a clear and engaging guide, this book promises to be a valuable addition to your collection. As you turn its pages, you will not just be reading about homeopathy, you will be embarking on a journey of understanding and discovery, a journey that could transform you into a true practitioner of homeopathy.